Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold plastic bags. This will be a full tutorial and also a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a regular, sort of like a grocery store type of bag, okay? Shout out to Lady York Foods. They have a special place in my heart, long story behind that. But I used to work there, so I figured that I would use this bag. I worked there for a long time, so I figured that I would use this bag to show this demonstration. So, very easy. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way is to just fold it into rectangles. So you want to fold it in half that way, and fold it in half again until it's really tall and thin, just like this. Then at this point, you can just fold it like this into rectangles like that, fold it over, or you can fold it in half continually like this until you reach your desired size, okay? Very simple, okay? And it stays fairly well, and that's a quick and easy method, but there's a method that takes a little bit longer but produces a much better result. So this is the second way. So we're gonna open it up once again. Now at this point, we're gonna start off with the same two steps that I just showed you. So we're gonna fold it in half this way, okay? Fold it in half that way again till it's tall and thin. Now at this point, what you're gonna do is, and I'll bring this centered on the camera here, is you're gonna start folding triangles, but not from this side where the handles are over here. You're gonna start folding from the flat side down here, okay? And it doesn't matter which way you fold the triangles, it's just important that you start folding triangles. So you're gonna line up your edges. So let's say I wanted to start folding this triangle, so check this out. I'm lining up this edge with this edge right here. Okay, so I folded that triangle right there. You can see it's a triangle. And then you just keep folding triangles. Keep lining up the edges like that, okay? Just like that. Just keep folding it over continually in a triangular formation, okay? Just like that, okay? Just like that. And then when you're done, so you can see I folded all the triangles. There's a little bit left over here. So, and if I leave it, it'll be loose. What I want to do is make a compact form. So if you folded the triangles nice and tightly, you're gonna have these tight joints over here, these tight spaces, these tight folds, I should say. So you're gonna take your excess, and all that you have to do is just tuck it into one of the folds. So I'm gonna pull it nice and tightly, tuck it into one of the folds like that, okay? And check that out, you have folded a plastic bag easily, okay? And this will work with, you know, any type of plastic bag, but I just showed you pretty much the most common type of plastic bag that I'm used to seeing and that I'm used to folding, and it works really well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.